All right, so now I'm going to show you how we can solve a two-digit problem multiplied by a two-digit number using the area model for multiplication. So I'm going to break up both numbers by place value, by tens and ones. And as you know, this is called the area model for multiplication because we're going to treat this just like the area of a rectangle. So the first number, 57, it doesn't matter where you put the numbers. I can put 57 here or here, it doesn't matter. 57 broken up into tens is 50 and 7. And then similar with 84, it's 80 and 4. And now I'm going to break it up, the tens and ones. Great, so now I'm going to multiply and find the area of each individual rectangle. And I'm going to add up all the numbers that I get. So 80 times 50, I know that 8 times 5 is 40. I'm going to write 40 first. I have 2 zeros, so I'm going to just add my 2 zeros. Here I see this side length is 7. If this number here, this side length is 80, that means this side length is also 80, and this side length is also 80. I know that 8 times 7 is 56, and adding one more zero, because it's already there, it's a 10. Great. Now I have 4 times something. I know that another line that's going horizontally is either this line or this line. So if this line is 50, that means this line is 50, and this line is 50. 50 times 4, I know that 5 times 4 is 20, and I already have a 0 in my 50, so I'm going to add it on. Lastly, even though these sides aren't labeled, I'm looking for another side that has the same, that's going in the same direction, that also has a number. So I'm looking for a number that's lined up on this side. I can see that there's a 7 here. That means this line must be 7. And looking over here, I see that this line is 4. So I'm going to multiply 7 times 4 and get 28. Lastly, I'm going to add up all of my partial products. Each number here is called a partial product to get my final answer. And when I add up my partial products, I want to make sure that all of my partial products are lined up by place value. That way I don't make any mistakes. It's very easy to make mistakes this way. Add it up. 8, 6 and 2 is 8. 5 and 2 is 7, comma, 4. 4,788 is my product or my answer when I multiply 57 times 84 using the area model for multiplication.